Akshay.
Yeah, what's up?
Saab.
Yeah,
Saab.
yeah. PC do not disturb. When I say do not disturb, that is the one thing you want to do.
And the
Disturb.
worst thing is to because at that point it reaches to a point where it's pointless.
Wow, so many points. At that point, you get max points for that.
I think that should be a quote. At that point, it reaches to a point which is pointless.
And I give you max points for that. All those points.
Fuck everything else. That's what I'm going to do right now.
What? Make everything pointless.
Wait.
Make.
This is how normal person dresses up and looks like. I think from conversation.
That's why I was looking at like something is wrong.
South Indian here couldn't even pronounce English words properly, and he expects to have a conversation in Hindi. The person who is sitting on a sofa wearing that shawl, that silk shirt, and a puttu there, this guy expects him to speak Hindi. North Indians are normal people, but South Indians are weird. Really? Why the fuck? Where is my shawl? I am a South Indian. South Indian. My accent is not like मैं एक South Indian है. It's not like that. In the Dviri, it is not like that. At least way better than North Indians.
Yeah.
Yeah, we pronounce our English
Check the
properly.
group.
First of all, do they speak English? Do they know what English is? Forget the pronunciation. Pronunciation is another level. Do North Indians know what English is? Like they say awesome for awesome, man. Come on. Awesome. O-S-U-M. They say awesome. Is that English? And they are making fun of the pronunciation. And what does that mean? Like having a bottu here, big one here.
That point, it goes to a point where it's pointless.
Pooja Raju, guys. Pooja Raju.
If you read it, it's very deep.
It's very deep. Very. At that point, it goes to a point where it's pointless.
Back to seriousness, I'm still angry. Still angry. This is we South Indians having fun. Doesn't have to be that now the North Indian matter is over. Macha, not yar. Macha. South Indians are as normal as North Indians. You make fun of idli dosa. And what is aloo paratha? Really, you have bunch of aloo paratha, samosas and kachoris. They only survive on aloo. You go to North India, they will only get is aloo. This is how South Indian dress. But what you imagine is every South Indian in entire South India wears a lungi, a shawl, comes out with a white shirt in a bullet. That's only in movies. If every South Indian is dressed like that, no. What is the stereotype of North Indians?
See, they're so dumb that we don't even have to stereotype them. What do you stereotype out of
What?
I come back here. Sorry. Stereotype. बड़ा word है. Out of the mind.
Again.
Stereotype.
Again.
इसको to understand this, पढ़ाई
आपको
लिखाई,
समझने के लिए
education is very important.
You speak one line, it's like, go slow, talk slowly.
But they don't understand something of English, right? The thing they say is, यार क्या English लगा के रखा? हिंदी में बात करना. Why? क्यों बात करूँ हिंदी में? Why should I talk in Hindi? Why? Come speak in Kannada. ಬಾ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ. Tamil, Malayalam, Telugu, lot of languages.
To understand English, they should learn how to pronounce English. They don't say English, they say English. So yeah.
Just like they didn't go to school.
School.
in the any school they go to, they only teach them English.
English.
Yes.
And Zahir तौर पर okay.
Sure.
What the hell is that?
No, not so. Ada.
Apparently Zahir तौर पर he's have this big misconception. Again a big word. I'm so sorry, but misunderstanding. Simple misunderstanding. That we are living because of them. We are surviving because of them.
Living, not surviving.
Living. हम जी रहे हैं. Surviving is also one. What do you know about English?
See, I would like to give some conclusion, but
Pointless.
it's pointless. See, like,
Bro. Pointless. कोई फायदा नहीं.
फायदा नहीं. Yeah, exactly.
Pointless.
So,
No use.
see, even if I try to give any conclusion, I'll be speaking in English.
I'm so sorry. Excuse me, please.
Conclusion
I
what? Don't
apologize.
use such big
Yeah,
words.
I
Conclusion and all.
apologize to interrupt again.
हमको मुक्ताई नहीं करने का नहीं आता.
खत्म. Conclusion.
हमको
is
खत्म
like
करने नहीं आता.
big word. Conclusion is a big word.
I would just like to tell this much that if I actually start to conclude, you guys would not understand anything because I don't speak English. I speak English, so I'll just leave it at that.
So next time you point out any South Indian with a shawl and stereotype any South
Battu.
Indian with the bottu and all stereotype, think again. You are making a fool out of yourself if you're doing that.
Look at that.
There's no point of saying anything.
Better
I've
stop
seen
stereotyping South Indians. Go have your chai and samosa, aloo ka.
More than English, do you know what North Indians should learn?
Manners.
Geography.
Geography again.
You can't even use the word geography. What do you say?
Very big word. Use some simple words like
India map.
India map, South India map.
There's 5 states now in South India. Okay, 5.
Yeah.
Do you know who is Sharbama?
What?
Who?
Sharbama.
Sharbama.
Yeah.
I have no idea.
Heard of him? Never seen him on the internet. This guy.
I think there's a reason to why we didn't know.
Football player, Obama Yang.
Obama?
His name is Obama Yang. Okay, the player's name.
Okay.
So this is Obama Yang.
Why do you do all this nonsense?
Sad. Why are you so sad? So when are we starting Yamitami TV?
For one dosa, you are taking such a long time for me to take to one dosa. You're talking about Yamitami. It is out of the world now.
Till there, you can't go to Malleshwaram.
Sanjay Nagar is next area. Yeah, Malleshwaram is over there.
Dosa. How's the dosa?
What?
How's the dosa?
It's India, bro.
First time, my experience, I think you can get dosas like this. I can take you to places where you can get. It's a little high.
Saad is not happy. Okay, like 1.5 years back, this was twice the size of this. Now it's, we'll see the taste. Hi. Oh, yeah. Now, Mr. Asad is going to give some food reviews. So, Mr. Asad.
This was your choice, no?
No. It was not my choice. Huh? It was
my choice. I love CTR.
This guy's choice.
At the dosa, I found it in the goodish ways, but I don't think it is that legendary kind of thing. The taste was good, nice. It was nice dosa, and the quantity was very small. The dosa was very small. You need at least 2 dosas to fill your tummy. You cannot end up having just one. And I'm just sipping on some filter coffee with that. So for now it is sorted. I would just say it was good. I would rate it as good. Good
Ratings?
dosa. I'd rate it as 4 out of 5.
No, out of 10. Food reviews.
Out of 10 now. I would rate it as 8 out of 10.
I would rate it for 6 out of 10 because the last time I came, I rated it because it was actually tasty, and this time it was. I can't say it was not tasty, but it's like okay.
You were asking what is wrong with the dosa, right?
Yeah.
I
But
know
no,
what
I didn't
is-
ask what is wrong with the dosa. Like something is wrong with it.
Something is wrong with the dosa. I know what is wrong with the dosa this
What?
time. They've cleaned the kitchen. That's what's wrong.
So yeah, so the last time we came, it was like 1.5 years ago. Was it nice? Like you have come before, right?
Yeah, long ago, many years ago.
So that time it was actually nice, right?
I don't remember. That's why I can't tell.
Okay, yeah. So 1.5 years back, it was actually like really nice. So I gave like 8 out of 10, and 1 year later, it's come down to 6 out of 10. So
Exactly my point. The change is they've cleaned the kitchen.
no. The kitchen would actually always be clean because it's CTR and.
It's COVID time. They've sanitized the kitchen.
So you mean sanitizer have been into those?
No, I mean the old flavors are not there in the dosa.
Yeah. So doesn't make sense, but have to go with it. So
Apparently, that is the only thing that is making sense right now. Otherwise, why would the taste change even a bit?
okay, we'll come back here after COVID goes. When will COVID actually go?
What?
When will COVID actually go?
I don't know. Maybe you have to wait for another 5 years to get that old flavors back.
Yeah. So 5 years later, we'll see. Okay, bye, sir.
Bye.
Will we come back to CTR anytime soon?
I don't think I'll come back to CTR again.
Of course, this guy will come.
What? When?
You?
It's food, so yeah.
I mean, I don't know why I'll come back here. I mean, I don't mind.
Next time we are going to Baswantgudi's
Vidyarthi Bhavan.
Vidyarthi Bhavan.
Yeah, we'll try Vidyarthi Bhavan.
Bet Vidyarthi Bhavan still has the taste. I bet.
Dude, even if Vidyarthi Bhavan is putting gold on their dosa, I would still come to CTR and choose CTR over Vidyarthi Bhavan any fucking day.
No, Vidyarthi Bhavan is big.
CTR is big. Okay.
I want to judge Vidyarthi Bhavan now.
Bye.
Bye. Okay. You can definitely see me because this is a big camera. And I am like I'm home. That's my room. And